There you go.
It's humming.
Yeah. The only thing people want to see. Yep. Yeah. Good. Yeah. So you can tell the stove. That's the other thing I like talking about. $3,500.
Yeah.
It's a new spindle.
Right. Yeah, you don't have to buy your box.
Right.
I'm buying it. Spindle and gearbox.
Yeah. What do they want for that?
$800 or something like that.
The whole thing. I feel like that's the one thing that's
Yeah.
there's no getting around it.
You can. There's some people that are starting to rebuild some of that stuff.
But yeah, exactly. The warranty.
Right.
That's the problem.
That's probably enough video, huh?
What's that?
Probably enough video.
Yeah. Well, you know what?
1 minute and 21
How long?
seconds. But it's only one tool.
Oh, one tool. Okay. You know what I'm gonna do?
Yeah.
When this tool is done, oh, it's gonna run away. You know Maurice Ware? No.
I send most of the stuff I send out anymore just because on tolerances. It's just for something that we need quick. I'll go back and start going through it.
Is it going to change tools again?
If you want, I can.
Oh, please.
God, probably.